Niggas flying kite out here, Guyana. All them kites. 1, 2, here a kite. Wicked. Wicked. Oh, here a kite. Look out here, Guyana. Wicked. Them bad boys singing. Ear kite. Yeah, seawall. Look at some nice white sand. Kites in this generation is sure different. You used to build our kites. Look at that. Them joints is sold in the market or something. Oh yeah. Good. Look at that. I see a kite. A whole sea. Look at that, they got sharks, they got stingrays. All kind of kites. Cool. Okay. A whole lane. This is definitely the hangout spot. I came here before. Over here, we got all the parties. Yeah. 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 Yeah, kite. Yeah, it's definitely the party spot. They are here. Yeah. A whole sea of cars. Sea of party stuff. Yeah. Yeah. All heap of them. Oh, sea of party stuff happening here, huh? Lucky, lucky, lucky. Flying them kites. Well, the sand is nice. Look at this. Should put this on the damn beach. Huh? Dirty ass beach you got over here. You need to clean the hell up. So this video is gonna be about kites today, I guess, huh? I'm just gonna show y'all a bunch of kites. Woo! Look at the bubbles. Woo! The bubbles is coming at me. Yeah. Ooh, that's an octopus. Let's get a zoom in on this boy. Look at that. Who's flying that? Oh. Yeah, he's flying that big ass octopus. Okay, now you're trying to hit me. Yeah? Trying to hit me? Dumb ass nigga? Okay, that's who's flying that. Good. This is the live spot. All kind of activity over here. Look at that. It's the hangout. Man, everybody flying kite. Kite here. Okay. This guy's flying. Another octopus. A rainbow kite. What the hell is that? That's two fish. Interesting. Ooh, look at that little one. Crazy. Yeah, nice. All right, Guyana, that's some fun stuff, huh? Yeah, that's some fun stuff. Is it 5 minutes? All right. Yeah, a couple more minutes of this. All right, let's see this one here. This one's struggling to go up. Yeah, that's a long one. I have to pause for this one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yep. Girl one right here. Yeah. Yep. Yep. We used to do this in Easter, you know, 50 years ago. Yeah. That bad boy's singing right here. We used to do this Easter time. Yeah, seems like they fly kite any damn time now. Yeah, look guy now, see all these nice things here? Some of them nice, not all of them. Yeah, not all. All right, so they got a boardwalk. Let's go to the boardwalk. Let's go see what the fishermen are doing. Okay, there's another one singing right here. Bad boy dancing, look at that. Dancing, Guyana. All right, so this is kind of nice, Guyana. I'll put up this video and show you guys. Guyana got some activities here that looks all right. Let me see if I could get up on this boardwalk. Okay, well, this is the fisherman. Okay, this is where niggas fish. Hold on a second, I gotta watch where I'm walking. Twist my ankle on one of these bad. Oh, nigga just cast a net. Oh, catfish. Okay, you guys are serious. Okay, let's take it from here. All right, this is the fisherman section. Oh, you about to cast a net. Yeah. Wow, a rough sea. Woo, baby. That bad boy rough. You get a close up, tight shot of that. Huh? You see that backdrop? Pan up to that backdrop right there. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'll fall back here for a second. I'm gonna show you how this big, beautiful sky, and then put a big moon up in there. How about that? It's got like you got something. So you pull it. Got something? See this nigga like you got a big fish. Oops. Where is that? Oh nigga, you got dirt, nigga. Thought this nigga caught something. This nigga caught dirt. Look at that. This nigga caught dirt. Catch nothing. Alright, there's a bigger wide shot of these damn kites. Dancer. Call this one Dancer. He's dancing. So, yeah, I get to see what I got to see. Right? Yeah, that's it. Since you didn't leave your house today, you get to see what I saw. Alright? Be in the comfort of your home and watch all these Nice little kites fly, and watch all these fishermen. Yeah, everybody's fishing. Nice little big shot of fishing. Yeah. So this should be exciting. Yeah. It's Fisherman's Alley. Grass. Or sea, whichever one, however you want to put it. Wicked. I'm gonna use this as a backdrop for something. Huh? Just let that wave just go like this all day. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. This bad boy is crazy right here. Alright, let's go a little further down. See, whoops. Yeah, we got a little, this is Guyana, what do you call it again? The seawall, and here I am on the pier. Right? Pier is where the fishermen then come to fish. I'm assuming, right? Not assuming. Is where fishermen come to fish. Oh, this nigga got a bite. He looks happy. What do you got? You got a good pull. Let's see what you got. Let's see what we got for dinner, buddy. You share that with me. Hello. Oh, sorry, buddy. You got a false alarm? What you got? You got something? Nope, that line looked too loose. You thought he got something. He ain't got nothing. He got some waves. That's what he got. And this a little bit. We got a nice one. Where can I control myself? Kids fast. What a shark. That's crazy. Mini shark. Catfish. Look at that fish, look like a shark. Close up of that bad boy. Yeah. Dinner tonight, buddy. What a nice little catfish. What a good shot. Good. Nice little shot. Yeah. Lots of kites. It's the last shot of the kites. Yep. Hey! I came out to the Strait of Hormuz. Yep. I ran and let that ship through. I ran and let that one through as well. Right? I'm out here. I'm in Iran. I'm out here. Go, y'all. I go everywhere. Look at that. Straight to Hormuz. Iran ain't blowing that one up. See that? Good. Got some activity. Look at the sun. Woo, baby. Look at that sunset. That's going to be my background. Let me just pan and go to it. All right. Pan. Let me pan up. Look at that water. Look at the light on that water. Look at the revelation. Wicked. Leave it here for a minute. Throw some audio on that. Huh? Yeah. Fisherman them out here. Good sunset. Look at the coastal line. Huh? Good coastal line, huh? Yeah, Guyana. That's the best thing y'all got out here. Look at that. Good coastal line, Guyana. Look at that. Good kid. Can't beat that with a bat. That's the best thing I've seen out here, Guyana, you bum ass niggas. See that? That's God's wonder right there. Can't produce nothing like that. That's for sure. Pan here. Yep, niggas is fishing. More birds. This nigga got here. What's that? Oh, this nigga got another. There's catfish over here. You got one too. Okay. Niggas catching them damn fish. Yep. 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 So, fish alley, huh? Real kite. That's a kite. Little speedboat. We'll zoom in on that real quick. Sorry, fellas. Speedboat there.